JRF Mechanical. This is how we can change your air filter. You undo these clicks right here like that. There's only two. The others just slide in the little slip and pop it open, and you'll pull out your old dirty air filter. You can see how plugged up. You can take an air hose and a nozzle and blow it out and get another life or two out of it. And then after you've done that a few times, you might as well go ahead and put a new one in like this, and it only goes in one way like that. And just make sure your little gaskett's in place there, and then you can be able to slip it in here in this little opening like that, and kind of up it a little bit like that, and then you can go down and close the clips like that. And then we're also replacing this out because it's 20 years old. This one's the old one right here, and I was able to scoot it a little bit more and then clamp it again. But anyway, it's kind of hard, and this one's much softer, and you can take it and replace it and put it on here like that. If you want to clean your throttle, that's another video. And then you can hook up the other hose there and hook up this hose here like that. And then you'll hook up some of these other connectors here when you got the air filter off, because the air filter sometimes doesn't come up unless you disconnect a few of these connectors. So you might get a little confused with the wires, but they kind of flow this direction and they won't fit. And I go like that. That one goes there, and there's your air. And there you go. And then you can get the rest of this connected together and put this back on.